You know, when we first started talking about the Red River Project, it was a foreign concept. No one had really ever, had done this before. No one had really utilized crossing state lines with rural transit. I can remember going back and talking to TxDOT, telling them initial of the project, what we were thinking about doing, and how that we had so much demand and customers wanting to go back and forth because our areas are so close. They're so similar in employment, and how a large number of the Texas residents are employed in Oklahoma. Same vice versa with Oklahoma residents being employed in Texas, and how that really wasn't, the Red River wasn't a big stumbling block for us. I can remember them kind of looking at me like, are you serious? You want to do a project that crosses state lines? And it was groundbreaking. And we were proud to be on the cutting edge of doing something like this. So when we first started the project, needless to say, there was a lot of questions about it and how well it would work. And could we pull off a coordinated effort like this in different communities? The project's been in the making for over 2 years. We've worked with various employers and partners and educational institutions, and so it's taking a long time to get everything finally coordinated. So today, for us, this is about success. This is about a lot of efforts on a lot of people really coming together to do something that really benefits the community. And now I'd like for you to hear from a few of our partners that have pulled together to make this project a success.
Good evening. I'm Carol Ammons, Executive Director with Big 5 Community Services Incorporated. We are one of the services for Sorts Transportation, and we are very honored to be a part of the Go Red River project. I was very happy when we were contacted to be a partner to provide transportation to the work sites for people who live in Texas and are working in Oklahoma. This is an extension of the services that Community Action is here to do. We provide services for the people in our community, and this is also an excellent economic development project. It will serve both the people in the community who live in the community, who work in the community, as well as the employers in Bryan County. We anticipate this to grow over a period of 2 to 3 years, and hopefully it will continue growing even after that.
My name is Janet Reed. I am the Executive Director of the Durant Area Chamber of Commerce. Go Red River is a project that is of historic value to both sides of our Lake Texoma area. This is a first for the entire region, and we're very excited to be part of this. When we first started trying to put the project together, Tammy Johnson came and asked me a few questions. I was so excited to know that we would have the possibility of actually having a public transit system in this area that could run between the North Texas area and the southern part of Oklahoma. It is reality, it's happening, and we are very excited to be part of this event.
At Delaware North right now, we have about 20% of our workforce commuting from Texas. This can really create a hardship for employees who just need to get over the state line to find work and get to work every day. So we're so excited about the Go Red River transportation project. I know it's been in the works for years, and it's finally there. And I think it's just going to add value for employers. We'll be able to recruit more actively from the Texas labor pool. It may help with retention. I'm sure that it will help us retain the employees who do drive from Texas. So we're very excited. I think it's going to be great for the employees, great for the community as a whole, because it'll really help employers as well. So we're looking forward to all of the benefits.
The Go Red River project is something that's exciting for us here at Grayson College. We've been partnering with TAPS for several years now to be able to provide educational opportunities to students in the Texoma area, and bringing our students to campus has been something that's helped us to retain our students and to help them to move through their career path as quickly as possible. Seeing that opportunity expand to connect to Austin College as well as SOSU is something that's exciting for us. We have partnerships with SOSU where they're actually providing classes on our campus, but this opens up the opportunity for those students to be able to go into Oklahoma. Additionally, our students that live on campus in our dormitories that don't have transportation, this is another opportunity for them to be able to expand their realm of travel and I've talked to several that are excited about that prospect as well. Seeing us be able to connect the entities and have a seamless transition between us and the other colleges is very vital for us. I've talked to various groups at Austin College and our folks here about some partnerships to enhance our relationship there and get our students exposed to opportunities at Austin College. And I think that's very exciting, and I know that Dr. Haas is excited about the prospect of those students being able to make these travels as well. It benefits everyone involved. We're very excited about this partnership, and we look forward to seeing great things in the future out of our effort to support transportation in the Texoma area.
Lorca is excited to benefit from the Go Red River project. Not only will it help in recruiting new employees, it'll help current employees save money by spending less in fuel.
My name is Susan Thomas. I'm the Executive Director of the Texoma Council of Governments in Sherman, Texas. And we see the Go Red River project as changing the face of regionalism for our region. At TCOG, we believe that regionalism and growth and development of a region is based on systems. And we look at all the different systems in a community. And that includes community services, social services, government, financial, education, healthcare, all of things that build quality of life for the citizens of our region. And one of the most important things that you can do when you're trying to improve somebody's quality of life is make sure that they are mobile, that they can get to places where they need to go to. And that's an issue not just for young folks that are looking for workforce opportunities. It's an issue for children and families trying to get to school, trying to pursue educational opportunities. It's an issue for the older population of our community so they can get to their healthcare appointments, to their medical visits. Transportation is key. It's also key to economic development. You look at Texoma as a region, it's not just the 3 counties that TCOG serves, it goes above and beyond that. And when you look at tourism development, you look at economic development, you see the importance of mobility and transportation for the region. So Go Red River is a huge success for our region. It's a huge success for regionalism, and we're very proud to be a partner and supporter of the project.
Over the past 15 years, I have authorized the purchase of hundreds of TAPS tickets for our customers. I never thought about using the service for myself, but last September that all changed. I broke my right leg, had to spend 3 months in a wheelchair, and for 5 months I couldn't drive. Thanks to the people at TAPS and their accessible buses, I was able to return to work and go to my appointments without having to ask my family to drive me. The Go Red River project is a great example of regional partnerships. Now these services will be available to all Texomans who need to cross the river every day to go to school or go to work. Workforce Solutions is proud to be a partner in this great project.
Well, let me begin by saying this is really an historic event. 2 states coming together to form this partnership along with other partners such as Big Five, the Choctaw Nation, TAPS, but just truly a historic event for the citizens of North Texas and southeastern Oklahoma. I think the real benefits are going to be for those students that have to commute on a daily basis. This is going to be an economical way for these guys and gals, if you will, to have an opportunity to save some money on gas and fuel and still have the efficiency of getting to school or getting to work. And mentioning work, I think the employers and some employees that have to commute either north or south are going to benefit from this partnership between these 2 great states. And we're excited here in Durant for the citizens here. We're excited for citizens and students in both North Texas and southeastern Oklahoma. So the partnerships that have brought this together is what Team Durant's been about for a number of years, and the benefits are going to be for our citizens, employers, and students. So we're just grateful to be a part of it.
Hi, I'm Kathy Hendrick with Southeastern Oklahoma State University. Southeastern is very proud to be a part and a partner with the TAPS, Transportation, and the Go Red River route. We are so excited to be part of this historic project. Having the storm route travel from Bryan County to Grayson County and to and from has been a great asset for our students and for our staff and faculty. We are extremely proud that this wonderful opportunity has happened and come to fruition.
You've just now heard from me the partners that have made this project a huge success. I also want to thank all the partners that were not named in the video, the people that have come alongside and given us support and their time and their energy. It has made all the difference in the world. I think through this project we have proven we are stronger when we're united. I think that through this project we've proven that coordination can happen regardless of regional boundaries. I'm excited to see where this project will lead. I'm not sure any of us know where this bus will actually end. I believe this is not the final stop on this bus route. There will be many more projects to come in years future. I'm proud to be a part of this. I'll see you on the bus.